This is hen. It is living thing, not meat. You eating burger and extra days. I many times explain you. This is not a food. It is violence. But you stupid. You can't understood. Because you are also fatty mind, like all non-vegetarians. Hey, listen to me. God give you human life in this life, but next life you also become animal and slaughtered in slaughterhouse like these animals. Hey, listen, animal forgive you, but the angel of death is not forgive you. Understood? You better understood. I can't eating meat now. Sorry.